Alright, welcome back to ZTM Garage. Today we are doing an alternator replacement on a 2010 Mazda CX-7. Or no, this is a Kia. Where the hell? Oh, 2009 Kia Rio. And the alternator is right under the power steering, right there. And there is a 12mm bolt sitting right there. We're just going to take the ratchet. Right there. It's a not so great spot. Come on, give me back the ratchet. Wedge. Alright, there's the first bolt, and I'm probably gonna have to lift the car up to get to the rest of the back. Alright, so when you get the car lifted, I ended up taking this tire off because we should be able to just pull it out from here. We want to take this off so it's not in the way. It's a 10mm bolt right here, and I'm pretty sure that's it. There's no other bolt. There should be another one over here, but this one's missing. So let me take that off real quick. Don't mind the ratchet. This thing sucks, so I plan on getting new ones. Jesus Louise. Alright, so once you get that broke loose, you will just unscrew it with your fingers. Put this off, just set that to the side with the bolt. And then from down here, which actually on this back side, there should be another alternator bolt right here, which I'm guessing is going to be the same, which is a 15. So let me get that. Oh, I was not expecting that to happen. Yep, another 15. Alright, I accidentally placed my finger on my record button on the side. I'm not getting the best of luck right here. Alright. Alright, so we're going to the little ratchet. It's a 12 mil, but I am using the SAE, and I'm not sure which size, but it works. But pretty much after you get this back bolt off, you should be able to take the belt off. Take the belt off. Y'all doing that? Alright, just like that. I was able to twist it. Pull the belt off of it. You want to take these washers off. Make sure you set those to the side. Make sure you pull up this wire clip on this so you don't damage that. I'll be right back. So another thing, when you do take that bolt off, you want to pop that square off, because there's a bolt. You just pull the bolt out, set that to the side, and now your alternator. The alternator should be free for the most part. Alright, I'm going to use this spray ball. Try to. Alright. Ah, I see. We're probably going to have to bring the car back down real quick. Not by too much, but we want to come up here. We want to slightly pull the alternator up towards us, if we can. Holy, this thing is kind of a pain in the ass. Make sure to not forget to unclip all the wires to it as well. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm not sure what that one is down there. I'll probably get to that. Oh, that's what that is. I'll probably take that off. Screw your little ratchet. So, once you get it, the forks that it sits on the bracket on the engine, once you get it off, you don't run into a problem where you think you can squeeze it out somewhere, but you can't. So we have two we have two things. We're either going to remove the oil filter at the bottom or remove power steering, which I would not recommend doing because that seems like a lot of extra work, and to make it easier, it'd probably be the best to do it from the oil filter. So I'm going to raise it back up, remove the oil filter, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I missed a lot, but we're back. So what we ended up doing was it wants you to remove the power, the water pump pulley, but instead we moved both front fans, just 3 bolts, would be 1, 2, holding both of them together, and then the third one, pull this one out over here, and then slide this one over and pull that out. We also did move the coolant hose. It spilled a little bit of coolant, but it should be fine. And then after that, you'll be able to take the old alternator, pull it out right here. We did also take the power steering off the bracket. And now we're just putting it back in. You're just like taking it out. I'm gonna slide the bolt at the bottom of it. Just kind of gotta work it in there. And then also another thing is there's 4 bolts on the front of the water pump pulley. You do have to loosen those to get the belt off the power steering to be able to take it off the bracket. So don't forget to do that, or it'd probably be a pain in the ass. So this bolt does not want to slide in. Come on, baby boo. It should be something like this, alright? Alright, so once you get the new alternator back in, go ahead and put your ground wire on. Plug in this. You want to make sure you get your belts back over as well. And then you have this adjustment piece. Put this bolt in through to the alternator, and there's a bolt at the bottom. Do that one last. Do this one first, get this one bolted in, and then the bottom one. Because we did the bottom one, and we couldn't get this one in. So do this one, and the bottom one. Then once you get it on, wrap the belt around. Go ahead and adjust this. Don't make it too tight, but tight enough where it won't come loose while driving. Tighten this, then go ahead and tighten this bolt and the one at the bottom up, which that one's just a nut on a bolt. This is a bolt that threads into the alternator frame. Then after that, you want to go ahead and put your power steering. You got your bottom bolt and then a top bolt that slops through here. So be right back. So we're back. After you get those 2 done, the alternator tighten up, power steering tighten up. See, it's running good. You get the fans in, make sure you plug those in. They do slot in the bottom and then bolt on the top. There's 3 bolts. The 2 should intercross. This one sits on this one. This one also slots in the bottom. Plug them in. Make sure they're in and tight. And since we did take off the radiator hose, if you do that, make sure you top off the coolant. But then, if you don't have a battery diagnostic tool, then you don't have to worry about it. But other than that, you should be good. And make sure you do tighten that bolt. As I said before, don't too tighten the belt. Just tight enough where it won't slip on. Well, as the car's running now, there's a ticking up here. That's not good. But hope you enjoyed, hope this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next one.